Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is A Day with Jayo, where I talk about my life or the random things I do on a daily basis. So for today's video, as you can see that I'm currently wearing my retainer, so please excuse the way or like how I talk today. But other than that, we're going to create our own mosaic vase, but with a personal twist with it. So if you want to know how, then keep on watching this video. The inspiration behind this video or this project is this vase. So we're going to try to recreate that, but with our own take on it. So are you excited? Because I am. Then let's go. Okay, so the first material that you'll be needing is of course the jar, the vase, or the base that you'll be creating. So I have here a jar. This is just a milk jar that I found in our kitchen, so make sure that you ask for permission first before getting a jar in your house. But yeah, so the next thing that you'll be needing is a putty filler. This one will be the base of our jar, or like our vase or vase, I don't know. Next thing is the decors that you want to put, like shells. It can be shells or anything that represents your personality or someone that you want to give it to. You can also opt to do some broken plates. So yeah, and also the last one will be a sandpaper. It doesn't matter on what kind of grit it is, or like I have here 100 grit sandpaper. So it depends on what kind of sandpaper, but stuff, it's a sandpaper. We have our materials here, then we're good to go. Okay, so first things first, we're going to sand our bottle so that the putty will stick to it. Carefully sand your jar. You don't want to break it, especially if you have like 100 grit sandpaper. So make sure that you sand it lightly and carefully. After, oh my gosh, I need a towel. Okay, now that you're good, if you think you have sanded all of the sides, then you're gonna wipe it down with a clean cloth. I have here a clean handkerchief, but make sure that there's no dust. After that, the base is ready. Since, we're running out of like budget, so we're going just to use our hands. So make sure when you're going to do this project, you're not afraid to get dirty and wet, because like the putty's wet. So the good thing about this is that when it's dried down, it's really hard. It's like cement. Okay, so now we'll be moving to voiceovers. I'm applying the putty into the jar, and make sure that you have a thick amount of putty when you're applying it to the jar, because that will be the base of the decorations. And also make sure that all sides are covered with putty. To make your area clean, make sure that you have a platform where you can put your vase while applying the putty, and just be careful applying it because it's kind of sticky. Okay, so now that we've washed our hands, it's kind of clean, it's dry. Now we're going to proceed to the decoration, or like decorating our vase. So what I have here are some shells that I got from the beach and an old bracelet. So, and also to add some color, I have here some craft beads. Hey, it's me again. So this is where the fun starts, because you have the creative freedom to personalize it, to customize it with any kind of decoration that you want to. Me, I just have here some shells that I got from the beach, and that's what I'm going to use to decorate my vase, or to decorate my vase. And if you're done, just wash your hands and let it dry overnight. And when it's dirty and when it's hard, the putty is hard, then here's how it looks. So that was it, guys. Thank you or congratulations for making it this far. I hope that you enjoyed that simple little project that I did for you guys. And if you ever created that project, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. That is at JEOJINGCX. That's JOJX. Have fun creating your vase. Put your own personal twist with it. You can give it to yourself, to a friend, or even to a loved one. But yeah, and by the way, if you have any more suggestions or comments that you want me to do, please leave them on the comment section below. Till next time, this has been me, Jo, signing off.